Welcome to our channel. I am Sir Mallory of VRMSZ Tax. Today's topic is common mistakes when filling out the W-4 form. When it comes to completing the W-4 form, errors are common and can have significant implications. Here are some of the most frequent mistakes. Lack of understanding. Many individuals struggle to comprehend the complexities of tax withholding, leading to inaccuracies on their W-4 forms. Incorrect dependents claimed. Misjudging the number of dependents can result in either too much or too little withholding, impacting your tax obligations. Failure to update. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or having a child necessitate updates to your W-4 form. Neglecting to do so can lead to incorrect withholding. Ignoring additional income. Individuals with multiple income sources often forget to consider this when completing their W-4 form, resulting in under-withholding. How to fill out your W-4 form correctly. To ensure accuracy and avoid potential issues, follow these steps when completing your W-4 form. Gather necessary information. Collect essential documents like your latest pay stub and tax return before beginning. Complete personal information. Accurately fill in your name, address, social security number, and filing status. Determine allowances. Utilize the IRS withholding estimator or the provided worksheet to calculate the correct number of allowances based on your situation. Consider additional withholding. If you have other income sources or expect significant deductions, think about opting for extra withholding to prevent underpayment penalties. Review and sign. Double-check all entries for accuracy before signing and dating the form. Benefits of filling out your W-4 form correctly. Accurately completing your W-4 form can yield several advantages. Maximize take-home pay. Proper calculation of allowances ensures you're not overpaying taxes, resulting in more money per paycheck. Avoiding penalties. By withholding the right amount of tax, you can steer clear of underpayment penalties, saving money in the long run. Access to tax credits. Precise withholding enables you to fully utilize available tax credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit, providing additional financial support. Simplified tax season. Accurate withholding makes tax season easier, with fewer surprises and potential liabilities. So in conclusion, completing your W-4 form correctly is crucial for optimizing your tax situation and enhancing your financial well-being. By understanding the form's purpose, avoiding common pitfalls, and following the provided steps, you can take charge of your tax withholding and enjoy the benefits during tax season and beyond. Take the time to ensure your W-4 form is error-free, and you'll reap the rewards both now and in the future. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more info on business and tax understandings. Until next time, stay informed.